Samantala, budget ng PCO para sa advertising sa susunod na taon, lumaki ng 5,800%. Kasama mo sa balita si Radyoman Grace Mariano.
RMN Live Report!
Sa budget hearing nga ng House Committee on Appropriations ay napansin ni House Deputy Minority Leader at Acting Church Party List Representative Antonio Quino ang paglaki ng 5,800% ng alokasyon para sa advertising ng Presidential Communications Office o PCO. Ayon kay Quino, 252 million pesos ang advertising budget ng PCO para sa susunod na taon mula sa 4.24 million pesos ngayong taon. Paliwanag naman ni PCO Acting Secretary Dave Gomez, malaking bahagi ng pondo ay ilalaan para sa pag-host ng Pilipinas sa ASEAN Summit sa 2026, kaya ang gagawing advertisements ay hindi lang lokal, kundi pati na rin sa international outlets. Binanggit ni Gomez na kasamang tutustusan ng advertising budget ang lobbying at promotion ng ating bansa para maging non-permanent member ng United Nations Security Council.
Paglaki, advertising expenses. So 2025, 4.2 million ang budget for advertising ng PCO. Ang hinihingi nyo for 2026, 252 million. So that's a 5,800% increase.
Most of the increases will really go to ASEAN, but at the same time, we're looking at several other important milestones for next year, and that's why we need to advertise not just locally, but in some international outlets as well. If I may be permitted to remind the committee, we are also aspiring to be a non-permanent member of the UN Security Council, and it will require a lot of lobbying, a lot of projecting our country externally on why we deserve to be nominated and elected.
Yan po sina Representative Antonio Quino and the PCO Acting Secretary Dave Gomez. Kasama mo sa DZXL RMN Manila, Radyoman Grace Mariano, Tatak RMN.